So just before I get into the video, are you serious? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, if you've just found me. My name is Aduke from Miss_Dukes_XO over on Instagram. Please go and check me out. Wow guys, it has been a while since I have filmed a video. I have got so much to catch you up on, guys, namely the fact that I've had a baby. More on that later. But in today's video I have got a really exciting video for you, which is a collaboration with Cherryz. If you've never heard of Cherryz before, they are basically like an online home bargains / pound shop all in one. It's absolutely amazing, guys. They are so good for all kinds of essentials, homeware bits, cleaning products, makeup-y bits for babies, so many good things. So today, like I said, I'm really lucky to be working with them. They reached out to me on Instagram and asked if I'd like to do a collaboration with them. So here we are. I have got a massive box here full of so many goodies. So if this is the kind of video that you want to see, please keep watching. So I do have a 3-month-old baby and she is currently asleep and seemingly waking up. So just before I get into the video, I do have a brilliant discount code, which is just MissDukes20, all capitals, to be used on their app or on their website, and it's for first purchases only. I will put all the details in the description box below, so straight after this video, go and check it out. So, like I said, I have got a lot of stuff. I've got a mixture of homeware, food, drink. Am I going to have to go and get my baby? If you can hear a noise in the background, guys, that's just the sound from my video monitor. Baby girl is asleep. So anyway, let's get into it before she wakes up. So, the first thing I have got is a bit of a boring one, but tell you what, these are she's not going back to sleep. Yeah, let's take a pause. I have got a guest with me now on my video. You're going to be good here? So, as I was saying, first item I have picked out, I'm going to do these in no particular order, by the way. I'm just going to grab and talk. So first item are these Astonish toilet bowl tablets. These guys are so good. I actually picked up 2 boxes of these, one for my mum as well. You get 8 tablets in a box, and it's literally just a drop in, no scrubbing is needed, and it just literally removes all the lime scale and build up in your toilet bowl. I normally get these from Home Bargains, but recently they have stopped doing the Astonish ones and I haven't been able to get them. So as soon as I saw these, I thought, yes, I need to pick these up. Then I have got this cucumber and avocado facial scrub. I saw this and I literally thought, yes, I need some exfoliating. Recently I had a baby, so a little bit of self-care every now and then doesn't go amiss. Exfoliate and refresh for softer and more radiant skin. It's for all skin types, and yeah, I just thought it would be really nice to remove like any dead skin from my face and just have a softer, smoother finish. Then I love all things refreshing and nice smelling, especially for my bins. So I picked up these Lavender Dustbin refreshers, and yeah, I just thought that would be really nice. I think you just stick this, yeah, you just open the plastic, take the back off and stick it straight into the bin, and I guess that every time you open your bin it will just be smelling beautiful. There's 2 in the pack there. I kind of wish I'd got another one now. I don't think I did. everything on their site, guys, are so cheap. I got so much stuff here, so yeah. Again, I love all things smelling fresh and clean, so I did pick up this Fabulosa. This is actually a lemon lavender scent. I don't think I've actually tried this one before, but we love the Fabulosa in my household, and I love the fact that it's a spray bottle and it's quite big. There's 500 ml, so you get quite a lot out of it. Yeah, so you get quite a lot out of the product. So this is what it looks like. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but everything on there honestly was so cheap. Of course, I couldn't not pick myself up a little treat, so I picked up this Minstrels Treat Bag. I love Minstrels, they're just the best. I kind of wish the pack was a little bit bigger, but you know, your girl needs to start eating healthy after having a baby. So a little treat bag for my Married at First Sight viewings. Yeah, there we go. Also, I saw this and I just thought it looked really nice. Hopefully it's going to taste nice. So this is just an iced coffee, but it's white chocolate. Now, I have a little bit of an obsession, guys, I'm not gonna lie, with Starbucks iced white chocolate mocha with 1 pump of hazelnut syrup. I got that mix from Sophie Taylor on Instagram. Go check her out, she's Starbucks obsessed. But I saw this and I just thought that sounded really nice. Whether it's going to be the same as my Starbucks, we're yet to see, but I'm looking forward to giving that a try as my morning coffee. So yeah, doesn't it just look so refreshing and tasty? Yeah, I think so. So as I mentioned, I have got a 3-month-old. Videos are coming soon, guys, trust me. But by the time we get to around Christmas time, she is going to be weaning. So I thought, whilst I was on the site, I would pick up just a couple of cheapy spoons for her. So I've got 5 weaning spoons in here. They're ideal for baby's first solids. I thought the spoon size looks quite small, so I thought that would be really good to be able to get in her mouth. Yeah, that is a journey I'm really looking forward to, but kind of like scared at the same time. Like, the mess is one thing I'm just not okay with, but it's gonna be fine. Next one's a bit of a random one. So I have been looking for quite some time to get one of these, and I saw it as I was scrolling through the list, and I just thought, as I'm here and I've seen it, I'm gonna get it. It's actually just, it's really random. It's actually just a shower mat. Normally you can get bath mats, and I've just been looking for a shower mat for my ensuite shower cubicle, and this I think is going to be the perfect size for it. So yeah, it suctions to the shower tray, so I thought that was a really perfect option. I don't normally see shower mats that are this sort of size, and it's the perfect size for my shower. Oh, are you getting involved too? More treats, guys, can't lie. Haribo, jelly babies, Haribo. I love a treat, I'm not gonna lie. So as I was on the site, I thought, why not pick up some treats? Yeah, if you're a Haribo jelly baby lover, get on there. More treats. I don't normally like chocolate orange. I mean, it's not that I don't like it, I have to be in the mood for it. And I guess at the time that I was doing this purchase, I was in the mood for it because I did pick up one of these chocolate orange bars. Oh, you getting involved there too? Why not? £1, why not? So next, guys, I see these all the time when I go into B&M, and I always think I should pick them up. And when I was doing Slimming World, people would talk about it all the time in group. So I picked up 2 of these Skinny Whip bars. I got the toffee and chocolate one and also a mint chocolate one. They are both 99 calories. I think on Slimming World that would be around 5 cents per bar, but people talk about them all the time, and they say that the mint chocolate one is like an after 8. And don't we just love an after 8 at Christmas? Not being funny, but Christmas is coming up very soon, and I for one am here for it. It's gonna be baby girl's first Christmas, so yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So I thought I'd give it a go and see what they taste like. I picked up this really cute photo frame. I really want to start getting some photos printed off and put in frames, and I've got a photo album just of baby girl really. Like, I take pictures of her all the time. I saw this photo frame and I thought it would just be really cute just to get like a nice picture of her, maybe a picture of me and her together. It's a 4x6 photo frame, so I just thought it would be really nice just to go on the bedside table or somewhere in the living room. Yeah, really cute. Oh my god, I totally forgot I got this. I have been looking for something like this and I totally forgot that I even ordered this. So it's a foldable fabric storage bag, and I really want this to put either like old clothes, not old clothes, but like winter or yeah, well, summer clothes now, to put my summer clothes in, or to put bed sheets. So I don't know what size this is, but that would be really good to put in my airing cupboard. I'm really wanting to organise my airing cupboard with all my sheets and duvet covers and everything, because everything's just flung in there at the moment. So I thought that would be really good to just create a bit of organisation in my life, because if you know me, it's all a bit chaotic over here. Next I picked up some bathroom wipes. I never fully realised that when you have a baby there is just no time for very much. So I thought if I pick up some of these, I will be able to just do a quick once over in the bathroom, just a little and often, because yeah, there's no time these days to do a full clean. Like, she doesn't nap for very long, clearly. So these would just be really handy to just do a quick once over on a daily basis. So yeah, more sweets. Do I even need to say more? Can you go wrong with a snack? Picked up a couple of bits for baby girl. This Comfort fabric softener. So I actually use, I think it's Ariel for her fabric softener, and it's really good for delicate, sensitive skin. They didn't have that on the app, so I just picked up this Comfort one instead. So you can get 21 washes out of this, and apparently I've heard it smells really, really nice. Let me smell now actually. Oh yeah, that's really good. So I picked up 2 of those actually, because well, why not? I picked up some apple and pear juice. I used to have this all the time when I was younger. And I just remember it being so delicious and so refreshing. So I saw this and I thought, I'm gonna pick this one up. I love a Robinson's drink, and it's no added sugar as well. So this would be free on Slimming World. See all the references to Slimming World here? I am going to get back into it. So stay tuned for my Slimming World Sundays again. And then I've just got one more item. I was slightly obsessed with Love Island in the summer, as I think a lot of us were. And I randomly saw this on the app, and I thought, I need to get this just to see what it smells like really. So it's actually a Love Island body spray. It says it's a scent my type. It's a body mist actually, and it kind of reminded me of summer and like pina coladas. Oh, that smells really good. I've just literally like smelt it from the lid. Oh, that would be so nice. Quick spritz on your way out the door. Perfect. And that, guys, is everything that I purchased. So I am literally surrounded by stuff right now. You can get so much for your money on the app. So yeah, go and check out the app for all your essential needs. Miss Dukes 20. Don't forget to use my code. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. My next video will actually be from before I had baby girl. I've actually got so many videos that I really want to upload because I think they'll be really useful, like what I packed for my hospital bag, what I packed in my baby's hospital bag. I've got a couple of vlogs. So yeah, so stay tuned for some of them, and then I'm going to catch up to real time to where we are currently, and she's, yeah, 3 months now. So yeah, it has been a while. So if these are the kind of videos that you like to see, please subscribe, like, stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.